When a maintenance need arises, fill out a maintenance request form. This will ensure it gets put on the list of jobs to do. The maintenance form can be used when equipment or fixtures in your workspace need to be repaired, when general or preventative maintenance or upkeep is needed around campus, or when painting is needed. To find the form, go to the district bookmarks in Chrome. Click on the Staff Resources folder and then select the Maintenance Request Form link. When the form opens up, enter your name and email. Verify the date is correct. Enter a description of what needs to be done or fixed. Give a specific location. If your request is time-sensitive, be sure to enter a date on the form. This will allow for the maintenance staff to prioritize requests appropriately. If there is not a date, the request will be handled in the order in which it was received. When you click Submit, you will get a confirmation email, and the maintenance director will also get a notification. The issue will be scheduled, assigned, and fixed as soon as possible.